Okay guys, so now let's understand Lucas test. We already saw how in lab we can distinguish phenol from alcohol. Similarly here, Lucas test is used for discrimination of 3-degree alcohol, 2-degree alcohol and 1-degree alcohol. Alright, so what's Lucas reagent? Lucas reagent is conc, that is concentrated hydrochloric acid, and zinc chloride. Alright, so alcohol when put in Lucas reagent, prior to getting into discrimination of 1-degree, 2-degree, 3-degree alcohol, let's make it very clear that all these alcohols, whether it be primary, secondary, tertiary, are soluble in Lucas reagent, but the chlorides are not. So what basically are we doing in Lucas reagent? In Lucas reagent, what basically is Lucas reagent doing? Lucas reagent is converting the hydroxy group to chloride group. Alright, so OH2Cl. Okay, now let's see what happens. So we have 3 test tubes, say, and these 3 test tubes have 3 alcohols which we have got to discriminate. Alright, so what do? We pour in Lucas reagent. As soon as we pour Lucas reagent in a test tube which has got 3-degree alcohol, what we find is there's instant separation of 2 layers. Instant separation of 2 layers. Alright, then we put it in second test tube. As we put it in second test tube, we find that it does not separate out in 2 layers instantly. It separates out but slowly. Alright, you have got to shake it vigorously and then it separates out. Whereas when we put in third test tube, there's no separation even on vigorous shaking, but we have got to apply heat energy also to it for layers to separate. Alright, so obviously this itself gives a clear-cut discrimination, visual discrimination of 3-degree, 2-degree and 1-degree alcohol. Alright, so this is one of the tests for discriminating, for distinguishing 1-degree, 2-degree, 3-degree alcohols. Okay.